Hello, you are welcome. Let's find the perimeter of this figure. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to what? Is equal to side AB plus side BC plus side CD plus side DE plus side EF plus side FG plus side GH and plus HA. This is the perimeter. We add all the side to find the perimeter. So let's say this side is equal to x. No, this side is equal to y. This side is equal to x, and this side x, y, z, and this side b, a, and this side b, and this side will equal, it is known, and this side is known. So perimeter is AB. AB is equal to y plus BC. BC is equal to 4 plus CD is Z plus DE is A plus EF is B plus FG is 3 meter and G hash is 5 meter and HA is X. So it is perimeter is, let's start from this x plus y plus z plus a plus b plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Yes, this is, let's make this equation 1. So from here, when you see, you look like this and like this. From here is equal to y, and from here up to here is equal to z, and from here up to here equal to b. So this side GH is equal to this side plus this side plus this side. It is equal to y plus z plus b. Yes, so it means y plus z plus b is equal to this length 5. So from here, y plus z plus b, we are going to replace this. Let us put 2 into equation 1. So we have perimeter is equal to x plus a plus 12 plus this y plus z plus b replaced by 5. Yes, So perimeter is equal to x plus a plus this 17. This is equation 3. Now see that can trace this line like this and like this. Yes, so this side is a, and this one is 3 minus a. Yes, you know this side or this side, which is equal to 3. This one is equal to this one. It's like this, and this side is, or this side minus this part, is 3 meter minus a, and this side is the same as this. This side is 3 meter minus a. Yes, so this side or this side at HA is equal to this side plus this. Yes, side HA is equal to this side 3 minus a, then plus this side, which is equal to this, plus 4. Yes, HA is equal to x. X is equal to 3 minus a plus 4. This side HA, which is equal to x, is equal to this one, which is equal to 3 minus a, plus this side, which is equal to this 4. This x is equal to 3 minus a plus 4. Let's put unknown together. X plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 4. X plus a is equal to 7. This is equation 4. Let's put equation 4 into equation 3. So we have perimeter, which is equal to x plus a, which is equal to 7, then plus 17. Perimeter is equal to 7 plus 17 is equal to 24 meter. So this is the value of the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter is equal to 24 meter. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.